Hey guys, I am Imroz Beg. Welcome to Nikal Pada. I hope you are safe at your homes and taking care of yourself. If you are new to our channel, so yeah, if you have not subscribed till now, please go ahead and subscribe it. And today we're going to talk about the DJI Mavic Mini firmware update, which has just come in, and we'll just show you how to just update the app quickly on the phone. Everything is manual now you can do the shutter speed as well. Also, people who had 24 fps framework which they were working on, is good news for them, because now you can record 2.7K video at 24 fps as well as 1080p at 24 and 48 fps as well. So that's the second biggest update which is there. One is like you can change the shutter ISO, that's the manual. Second is adding 24 fps to the 2.7K resolution, and as well as 1080 also gets a 48 fps, and you can go that extra slow-mo which you want and reduce it to half if you're recording at 48. And this is good news for the 24 fps framework guys who work on 24 fps. Improved download of photos and videos can also happen, so we can check that. And improved flight stability in some scenarios, so that's right. So we did a test flight after and that too within a home right, so we have to stay at home. So we did a test flight in a room, and the stability was like the same, it just hovers up and down, left, right. We'll share the videos. And yes, so it is in some scenarios, they are right about it, not maybe this one. Maybe if you're flying the drone in some another scenario, it will be more stable. Maybe beachside, they have not mentioned about it, but yes, in our test flight it was not stable in a room, it was just hovering stable. And she is back. So three major, as we said, manual settings, 24 fps, 48 fps at 2.7 and 1080p respectively, and flight stability as well. Higher faster video and photos download and upload. Last one is added support to adjust operation frequency, that is for the Ukraine. So that's the last one. So yeah, all in all, very good firmware update. You can enjoy a lot of improvements, like right from manual settings to 24 fps to faster download of the videos, and more stable RC basically. So yeah, basically it'll make the flying experience better. And Mavic Mini is already a small wonder, it's doing great in terms of its own zone and for the price we pay. So yes, kudos to DJI, and guys, enjoy, update the Mini, and you also like take advantage of it as soon as possible you can. But yes, for now, stay home, like just be updated, be ready to, as soon as you can go out safely, you can just go and fly. And yes, pretty much that's it. Take care, guys. Okay, again, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any queries, do let us know. We had updated the firmware again on Samsung Note 10 Plus, which had issues before, when there was an Android 10 update. In Samsung, DJI Fly app was not like updated properly. So that video we did, and the link is above. And yeah, so this was just to test that as well, that Samsung is going in sync with DJI Fly app or not. So all in all, yes, it was this time very smooth. And like you guys, I'm just waiting for fly it out. So take care, guys. Bye.